Okay, Sprint users, this might be a really cool idea for you guys. So, got an email from Sprint saying I could get a free Magic Box. Like, what's a Magic Box? Basically, what it does is it improves your 4G speeds in home. It's kind of like a Wi-Fi extender. So they sent me this box. I'm gonna do an unboxing of it. But basically, what I'm understanding is you put it in one of your windows that's closest to your cell tower, and it basically just boosts it all into your house, so you can get faster speeds, faster downloading, faster streaming, all that good stuff. So pretty cool. I'm not sure how I was chosen, or if they're just sending random emails out. You probably just go on to sprint.com and just request one if you're in the area. So yeah, let's get this unboxed and check it out. All right, this is Raph Cave unboxing of the Sprint Magic Box. Let's go. Black pin. All right. Well, I'm all for getting newer, faster, better speeds for my cell phone. So I'm pretty pumped to get this hooked up and start streaming away. All right. Yes. All right, let's take this bad boy out. Whew. Oh yeah. Check out this box. Sprint, some pictures on there, some of that. Pretty plain box. Sprint Magic Box. There's your website if you want to go check it out. But you get the Magic Box, the power supply, the power cable, installation battery, and the battery cable. All right. Got foam padding. Couple packs there. This is going to be your power brick. Power cord, power brick, nice long cable. It's going to be in the window, so glad it's long. This right here is your temporary USB battery pack. Basically, when you plug this in, it gets going and you can see the signal strength. So if you want to move it to another room in the house, another window in the house, you have enough power to do that. And once you get the best signal, of course, you unplug this bad boy and then you plug in the power cord and it's there permanent. So that's that. Heavy box. I think it's like 13 pounds. 11 to 13 pounds. You got the LCD screen in front. Plain box. Power cord, USB power goes there. That's it. Basically, just put this right in your window. So yeah, step one, unbox. Make sure everything's included. Put it near a window. Plug it into the battery pack. Let it load up. And once you're satisfied with the signal, lock it down with that power cable. So, all right, I'm going to plug this in upstairs. And hopefully we get a good signal and improve our cell phone service. All right, thanks for watching this unboxing. I'll do another short video of it turned on. So, all right, I'll be right back. All right, so right now I got it plugged in with the USB battery pack there. Now I'm just waiting for it to start loading. Hopefully it loads. All right, to be continued. All right, so I moved it downstairs. So let's see if we get a decent signal. It's connecting to the network now. Connecting to Sprint service, configuring LTE service. So I got it plugged into the power cord. Right down there. This is the basement window. So, to be continued. All right, guys. So, after checking out different places in the house, this spot in the window is the best spot. So, if you click on that, it'll say LTE is connected, service connected, GPS is locked. So we're good to go. And what I've noticed is I went from 4 Mbps up to 12 Mbps on my 4G LTE. So like 150% bump in speeds and data. So this thing is a beast, and I'm pretty happy to have it. All right, guys. Well, check out Sprint.com. Look for the magic box and get one today. See ya. This is Raph. Thanks for watching.